So you got a family reunion, a sales convention, or maybe you took a wrong turn. For whatever reason, you find yourself at the Comfort Suites in Terre Haute, Indiana. Now, you're not like a lot of folks in America. You don't confuse comfort with happiness. In fact, you're not happy unless you're able to train. So what are you going to do? Well, put together a hotel workout. To do so, take a tip from our first book, the original, Jailhouse Strong, and implement the Deck of Pain. This is done with the favorite tool of street hustlers from Detroit to Des Moines, a deck of playing cards. You take a 52-card deck and you shuffle the cards so that you have no idea what card will come up next. Flip the first card and do however many push-ups the card says. So, for numbered cards, do whatever number of push-ups coordinate with the number on the card. For picture cards, jacks, queens, and kings, do 10 push-ups. And for the aces, do 11 push-ups. Once completed, you will have done 380 push-ups. For the Deck of Pain neophyte or newbie, shoot to complete the Deck of Pain in under 15 minutes. Stay tuned for some more hotel workouts.